Welcome back everyone. In today's lesson we will be exploring the exciting world of I want you to act as prompting. This technique allows us to step into the different roles and perspective and provide insights or respond based on the specific context. Are you ready to embrace your acting skill? So let's get started. The formula for I want to act as prompting is simple but powerful. It starts with the phrase I want you to act as and followed by desired role or perspective. Let's see it in the action with some example. Imagine you are acting as a marketing consultant. So for this my prompt is gonna be I want you to act as marketing consultant and evaluate effective of current advertising campaign, provide recommendation on how to improve its reach engagement with the target audience. Okay, so of course, in order to evaluate effectiveness in your current advertising campaign and provide recommendation for improvement, I'll need some information about campaign itself. Please provide the following details. Okay, so we need to provide some like objective, targeted audience, channel and platforms, message and creativeness, and metric and tracking. So as we can see, ChatGPT is acting as a marketing consultant. Now let's shift the gear and put on the lab coats. My next prompt is gonna be I want you to act as scientific researcher and design an experiment to investigate the effect of temperature on plant growth. Okay, so the first one is hypothesis, second one is variable, experiment setup, experimental groups, temperature control, experimental procedure, data collection, data analysis. Okay, so these are like really great methods. So as you can see, act as prompting method is one of the powerful method in ChatGPT. Now let's ask ChatGPT can we go in the back in time like in history, and I want to act you as a historian. And so for that my prompt is gonna be I want you to act as a historian and analyze the cause or consequences of significant historical event. Okay, so certainly to provide comparison analysis, please specify the historical event you would like to focus. So for this I am providing the civil war between America. So let's give this prompt to ChatGPT and let's see what kind of output we get. Okay, so American Civil War, which is lasted from 1861 to 65, was a monumental event in US history, has the comprehensive analysis of cause, key players, significant event and consequences of the civil war. Okay, so as you can see, ChatGPT is acting as a historian, so it has all the knowledge of history and it can give huge amount of data and the research which happened in the past, and is still asking like, do you want to specific question or aspect you would like to explore further regarding American Civil War. Now it's your turn to take up various roles and respond these prompts. Here are a few more examples to ignite your creativity. So for this video I have one project for you. Like there are multiple projects, so you can act as a CEO or as a therapist or as a travel blog. After acting like that, write me a prompt on that and submit the output. If you act as a CEO, then you can write develop a strategical plan to overcome challenges and increase market share for company in competitive industry. So remember, when you act as someone, you need to think, respond and provide insight from that perspective. This exercise helps us broaden our thinking, enhance empathy and develop well-rounded approach to problem solving. So whether you are stepping into the shoes of marketing consultant, scientific researcher or historian, I want to act as a prompting technique open up the new avenue of creativity and critical thinking. Embrace the power of perspective, my fellow actors. Until the next time, keep exploring, keep learning and keep acting.